Now to an update on the global coronavirus pandemic. The World Health Organization has reported a record-breaking number of coronavirus cases worldwide, with at least 307,930 cases confirmed in just one day. More than 5,500 new deaths were also recorded, bringing the global total to 917,417. More than 28.9 million people around the world have been diagnosed with the coronavirus, and more than 922,000 have died, according to the Johns Hopkins University. About 19.5 million people have recovered. That's right.
According to the World Health Organization, the number of daily coronavirus infections worldwide reached a new record on Sunday with 307,930 new cases. More than 5,500 new deaths were also recorded, bringing the global total to 917,417.
The numbers are increasing because the epidemic is developing in a number of populous countries at the same time and across the whole world. So from that perspective, a large number of countries are contributing to that overall increase.
The news comes as a WHO official has warned that Europe is likely to see a rise in the number of daily deaths in October and November. The number of cases has been rising in a number of European countries in recent weeks, with Spain and France experiencing the largest spikes. Israel has become the first country to announce it will reimpose a second nationwide lockdown later this week. Restrictions banning social gatherings of more than 6 people have come into effect in England and Scotland. New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern says restrictions will be lifted across the country on September 21st, except for Auckland. In Brussels, thousands of healthcare workers took part in a protest urging the government to invest in the healthcare system. And as the November presidential election approaches, U.S. President Donald Trump has held his first indoor campaign rally in 3 months. But the event in Nevada angered local officials who said the size of the crowd violated state rules banning gatherings of more than 50 people. Meanwhile, much of China has returned to a more normal pace of life after authorities began easing coronavirus lockdowns in late spring. But as many cities have found out, the relaxed measures can be short-lived. In June, Beijing experienced a sudden surge of cases linked to a wholesale market, leading authorities to immediately quarantine close contacts, lock down nearby areas, and mass test residents. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News.